It's summer Efteling with a lot of extra entertainment in the park. In this special video of Dutch Theme Park Network, we show you all extra entertainment in the park. Let's dive in! Here at Ruigrijk you will find the summer beach. And the beach it is. It really feels like summer. If you walk in, you first will see the hot air balloon of Jokie and Jet. In the afternoon you can meet the famous characters of Carnival Festival. And in the evening a mariachi band is playing the theme tune of Carnival Festival and other tunes. Also there's a bounce house and additional games you can play to win big prizes. Of course for an additional charge. If you're in the Efteling this summer, you have to check out the summer beach. So let's go in. Follow me. Near Dreamflight you can say hi to the fairies of Dreamflight. They will wave back at you from their swing high in the sky. And of course you can take a swing yourself. This is a really nice selfie spot. And next to that, the children can get their face painted for an additional charge. Near Max and Morits you can find Max and Morits flying around in their own plane. They are entertaining children with their jokes and their laughters. Also there you can find the Anderberg Muziekverein. This music band plays songs combined with an act with Frau Schmetterling and Bakker Krümel. It was really fun to watch and we definitely go back to see the whole show. In Ruigrijk, the Efteling placed a brand new stage themed after the roller coaster Python. On this stage there are two shows. The first one is DJ Dizzy. This DJ plays the famous tunes of the attractions in Ruigrijk in her own style. This show made us think of the 90s and the park videos they brought out on VHS and DVD. The other show is the Sterkstaaltje Staalkracht show. Well, we were not able to translate it to English because the translation wouldn't hold up. In this show, the brand new characters Roof and Spike teach you everything about G-forces and other aspects of the roller coasters. Well, this show is mainly aimed at children, but it's very fun because the characters seek a lot of interaction with their audience. So, if you're in the park, please check out Ruigrijk.
Open doen! Als die katoen de kista! Hak, hak!
Just like last year, at Fata Morgana you can find the giant Jinn. He's walking around the square and talking to the visitors and tells stories to the children. This is a really impressive puppet to see. So, if you're at the Efteling, check out Jin and say hi from Dutch Theme Park Network.
Astir da castle hak hak vitura.
So now you have seen all the additional entertainment in the park. If you stuck with us till this point in the video, you must like the Efteling. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more videos about the Efteling in the near future. And let us know, which entertainment act do you like most? Let us know down in the comments. We hope to see you in the next video of Dutch Theme Park Network. See ya!